1. 1957 Chevrolet 3100. Price: $7,850. Located in North Hills, California. The 1957 Chevrolet 3100 is available for sale at a price of $7,850 and is located in North Hills, California. This classic American pickup is an excellent opportunity for collectors and restoration enthusiasts searching for a vintage truck with outstanding potential. It has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching gray interior, the truck offers timeless styling and a solid overall appearance. One of its most distinctive features is the 1956 front-end conversion, giving it a unique look that stands apart from a standard 1957 Chevrolet 3100. The seller describes the truck as super clean, but explains that it still needs someone with the time and dedication to complete the restoration. The only reason for selling is a busy schedule that prevents finishing the project. With its classic design, solid foundation, and attractive price, this Chevrolet 3100 could become a stunning show truck or dependable weekend cruiser with proper restoration and care. 2. 1966 Pontiac Tempest SE Aerocoupe 2D. Price: $8,500. Located in Huntington Beach, California. The 1966 Pontiac Tempest SE Aerocoupe 2D is offered for sale at a price of $8,500 and is located in Huntington Beach, California. This classic Pontiac has 39,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a brown exterior, it has had only 2 owners and comes with an original title. The vehicle is fully paid off, making ownership transfer straightforward for the next buyer. According to the seller, the car runs great and has been well maintained over the years. However, it will need a new battery before returning to regular use, and the registration tags expired in February 2026. These minor issues provide an opportunity for buyers looking to own a vintage American classic without taking on a major restoration project. With its attractive styling, reliable mechanical condition, original documentation, and reasonable asking price, this 1966 Pontiac Tempest represents an excellent opportunity for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a classic cruiser with strong potential and lasting appeal. 3. 1949 Plymouth Sedan. Price: $3,000. Located in North Hollywood, California. The 1949 Plymouth Sedan is available at a price of $3,000 and is located in North Hollywood, California. This classic American sedan has approximately 300 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a brown interior and has had only 1 owner. The vehicle comes with a clean title, is fully paid off, and is reported to have no significant body damage or major structural problems. According to the seller, the engine turns over, but the car does not currently run, making it an ideal restoration or project vehicle. The owner is selling because additional storage space is needed and is willing to discuss further details with interested buyers. For classic car enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage project with a solid starting point, this 1949 Plymouth Sedan offers excellent potential. With patience, mechanical work, and careful restoration, it could become a charming collector's vehicle that proudly reflects its historic. 4. 1960 Chevrolet Suburban 1500. Price: $8,500. Located in Los Angeles, California. The 1960 Chevrolet Suburban 1500 is offered for sale at a price of $8,500 and is located in Los Angeles, California. This iconic classic SUV has approximately 886,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a black exterior, it represents an exciting opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking to complete a meaningful restoration project. According to the seller, all of the vehicle's parts are included, and every replacement part needed for assembly is brand new. The project was originally being built by the seller's grandfather, but it remained unfinished after his passing. As a result, The Suburban is now looking for a new owner who can continue the restoration and bring the vision to life. With its classic styling, complete collection of parts, and touching family history, this 1960 Chevrolet Suburban 1500 offers more than just a restoration project. It presents a chance to preserve a vintage American vehicle while honoring the craftsmanship and dedication invested in it. 5. 1949 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D. Price: $500. Located in Little Rock, California. The 1949 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D is available at a price of $500 and is located in Little Rock, California. This classic luxury sedan has 12,345 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 331 engine. Finished in a brown exterior with a green interior, the vehicle has had 2 owners and comes with a title in hand. It is fully paid off and is being sold as a restoration project. According to the seller, the car is currently non-operational and requires restoration work. The front and rear bumpers are missing, and buyers should bring their own tires before transporting the vehicle. However, the rebuilt engine and transmission were completed before the car was placed into storage, providing a valuable starting point for restoration. No trades are being accepted. With its affordable asking price, iconic Cadillac styling, and solid mechanical foundation, this Fleetwood offers an excellent opportunity for experienced restorers seeking a rewarding vintage American classic project with long-term collectible potential. 6. 1953 Hudson Superjet. Price: $600. Located in Valencia, California. The 1953 Hudson Superjet is offered for sale at a price of $600 and is located in Valencia, California. This rare classic automobile has 123,456 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a gray exterior with a green interior, the vehicle has had 2 owners and is fully paid off. According to the seller, it still retains its original black license plate, an attractive feature for collectors who appreciate authentic vintage details. The sale includes a complete body, engine, transmission, and a generous collection of additional parts, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. With many essential components already included, buyers can begin their project with a strong foundation and valuable spare parts. Its affordable asking price makes it especially appealing for enthusiasts searching for an uncommon American classic. Whether restored to its original condition or preserved as a unique collector's vehicle, this 1953 Hudson Superjet offers impressive potential and lasting historical appeal for dedicated classic car enthusiasts. 7. 1989 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Price: $3,500. Located in Burbank, California. The 1989 Cadillac Coupe de Ville is offered for sale at a price of $3,500 and is located in Burbank, California. This well-maintained classic luxury coupe has 79,560 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the car presents an eye-catching appearance that reflects Cadillac's signature style from the late 1980s. It has had only 2 owners, comes with a clean title, is fully paid off, and is reported to have no significant damage or mechanical problems. The seller describes the vehicle as being in excellent condition, highlighting its low mileage and damage-free body. These qualities make it an attractive choice for buyers seeking a classic American luxury car that is ready to enjoy without requiring major restoration work. Combining timeless styling, comfortable driving characteristics, and an affordable asking price, this 1989 Cadillac Coupe de Ville represents an excellent opportunity for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to own a well-preserved vintage Cadillac. 8. 1976 Mercedes-Benz. Price: $7,000. Located in Linwood, California. The 1976 Mercedes-Benz is available at a price of $7,000 and is located in Linwood, California. This classic European automobile has approximately 80,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the vehicle has had 3 or more previous owners. According to the seller, the car runs great after receiving more than $3,000 in maintenance and repairs, including a brand new alternator and battery. The interior remains in very good condition, and the original radio is fully functional. The seller honestly notes several issues, including 2 front windows that need repair, a non-working air conditioning system, minor rust around the rear window edges, and registration requirements that include a smog inspection. Despite these concerns, the vehicle remains a solid and enjoyable classic for serious enthusiasts who understand vintage automobiles. With its elegant styling, strong mechanical condition, and recent upgrades, this Mercedes-Benz offers rewarding ownership and excellent long-term collectible potential. 9. 1965 Dodge Dart. Price: $1,200. Located in Alhambra, California. The 1965 Dodge Dart is offered for sale at a price of $1,200 and is located in Alhambra, California. This classic 2-door coupe has approximately 125,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and Dodge's dependable slant-6 gasoline engine. Finished in a gray exterior, the vehicle features racing seats and a solid body, making it an attractive project for classic car enthusiasts. According to the seller, the engine starts, the transmission shifts properly, but the car is not yet ready for regular road use. Several valuable extra parts are included with the sale, such as a gas tank, grille, and additional chrome trim pieces. The vehicle is being sold with a bill of sale and is no longer listed in DMV records, allowing the next owner to register it without accumulated late fees or back registration penalties. With its affordable price, reliable drivetrain, negotiable asking price, and strong restoration potential, this 1965 Dodge Dart offers an outstanding opportunity for dedicated classic car collectors. 10. 1954 Chevrolet 3500 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price: $3,900. Located in Sunland, California. The 1954 Chevrolet 3500 Regular Cab Long Bed is available at a price of $3,900 and is located in Sunland, California. This classic heavy-duty pickup has approximately 15,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, the truck showcases the timeless styling that has made early Chevrolet pickups highly desirable among collectors and vintage truck enthusiasts. Although the seller provides only limited details, the vehicle presents an appealing opportunity for buyers seeking a solid foundation for restoration, preservation, or customization. Its classic design, practical long bed configuration, and relatively low recorded mileage make it an attractive option for hobbyists looking to own a piece of American automotive history. Whether restored to factory specifications or personalized into a unique custom build, this 1954 Chevrolet 3500 offers impressive potential. With its affordable asking price and iconic appearance, it represents an excellent investment for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage trucks and classic American craftsmanship. 11. 1962 Ford Ranchero. Price: $7,800. Located in Los Angeles, California. Truck currently located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The 1962 Ford Ranchero is offered for sale at a price of $7,800 and is listed in Los Angeles, California, although the truck is currently located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This original classic pickup is equipped with a reliable 170 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine and a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, commonly known as 3 on the tree. The seller states that the vehicle starts, runs, and is in good condition, although the actual mileage is unknown. Finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior, the Ranchero maintains its authentic vintage character and timeless styling. The asking price is negotiable for serious buyers, and transportation costs should be considered because of the vehicle's current location. Combining originality, dependable mechanical components, and classic Ford design, This 1962 Ford Ranchero represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a distinctive vintage utility vehicle with lasting appeal and enjoyable driving potential.